Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Dan Stein. Our next question is, how do I use CBD oil for pain? Well, when using CBD, it's important to know, number one, that you're getting the product from a reliable vendor. And number two, you need to know how much CBD you're taking. So as a quick tutorial, I thought I would show you this 1 ounce bottle of liquid CBD medication, which is equal to 30 milliliters. If there are 300 milligrams of medication in 30 milliliters, that means that each milliliter has 10 milligrams of CBD in this example. So if you take a full dropper, which is usually 1 ml, that means that you are taking 10 milligrams into your body by consuming that one full dropper. Oftentimes, these droppers are not exact. You may want to get a 1 ml syringe, a plastic syringe, and measure things out that way. But the thing I want you to realize is that if you don't know how much you're taking, it's hard to adjust the therapy so that you can get the best results. Remember, look at the number of milligrams on the bottle, try to calculate how many milligrams you're consuming each time, and keep track of how it's working for you. That's the first step in how to use CBD as a medication. Thank you.